So we took the position that he could have been brought here directly, and we are told that there is no President Duterte inside the facility. We are at a loss of this time, and lokohan na to. I think this is part of their grand plan, no? To kidnap the president, to extract the president from the Philippines, and brought to a jet without known destination. I was even forced to join the plane without any valid visa coming here.
Sir, can we expound lang when you said that there is no President Duterte inside?
They're
Said-
telling me that there is no Rodrigo R. Duterte inside this facility.
You,
But they can-
you requested for a visit today and it was approved, sir, right?
we have requested the ICC for a visit because they do not disclose what hospital he was brought to. And we assume that he was brought here last night after the training. That's all I can say as of the moment.
Is it possible he is in a hospital somewhere?
I hope he is in a hospital somewhere, but not in this facility.
He is allowed, according to ICC regulations, any detainee is allowed to communicate. Has he communicated to any of
None.
zero, sir?
We don't have any opportunity. We don't know where he is right now.
Oh.
He doesn't even have his medicines with him.
Pero doon po siya sa ambulance sumakay.
Sinakay siya sa ambulance, binigay lang namin yung mga records doon sa kanya, and sabi he will be well taken care of.
Right.
And we will be informed immediately of the name of the hospital. But hanggang ngayon, nakakalungkot ganito ginagawa nila.
So, Sec, what's the next